In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the default browser in Opera browser. This is a straightforward process, and by the end, you will be able to set Opera as your go-to browser with ease. First, let's start by opening the Opera browser. You can do this by locating the Opera icon on your computer or device. It usually appears in your taskbar or applications folder. Click on it to launch the browser. Once it is open, you will see a sleek interface with a sidebar and address bar. This is important because you want to ensure that you're working within the correct environment to make your changes. Next, click the Opera icon located in the top left corner of the window. This icon looks like a red O and serves as the main menu for the browser. From the drop-down menu that appears, select the Settings option. Alternatively, if you're using a Windows device, you can simply press the Alt key and the P key at the same time. This action takes you directly to the settings page where you can customize various features of the Opera browser. Once you're on the settings page, scroll down until you find the section labeled Default Browser. This section is crucial because it contains the settings that will allow you to designate Opera as your default browser. As you scroll, you will see other customization options, but focus on this specific area. It's important to find this section because it ensures that the changes you make will apply correctly. Now, in the Default Browser section, look for a button that says Make Opera Default. Click on this button to initiate the process of setting Opera as your default browser. This is a vital step because it ensures that any links you click in other applications will automatically open in Opera, providing a seamless browsing experience. After clicking the Make Opera Default button, you may be prompted with additional options or a confirmation dialog. If you see a button that says Set Default, click on it. This step finalizes your choice, making sure that Opera is now the default browser on your system. This action is essential because it reinforces your preference and ensures that your changes take effect immediately. Congratulations, you have successfully changed your default browser to Opera. This not only optimizes your browsing experience but also saves you time in the long run. Now, whenever you click on web links from emails, documents, or other applications, they will automatically open in Opera. You can enjoy the features and benefits that come with using Opera as your primary browser. Thank you for following along, and I hope this guide was helpful. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment or reach out. Happy browsing!